Hello, my KJ crew, and how are you all doing? I hope you're doing well. Let me get the volume down here so it doesn't blast your eardrums like it was a moment ago. I'm sorry for that. It is the last day to stream on anything except Beam. And frankly, I've been wanting this day for a while. In case you didn't know, the reason I'm giving up the others is because, frankly, I like Beam better. I'm getting a lot more. I'm getting more viewers faster. I'm getting better support. I'm getting a huge community being built over there. So today's the last day for anything except Beam. If you want to watch me going forward, jump over to beam.pro/Kjasi as listed up here. And you'll be able to watch me moving forward. The schedule's going to stay pretty much the same. Unless I make some changes. Who knows? Alright, so today, we're actually going to have some fun programming. If you're wondering what we're programming, we are programming let me switch over. We are programming a nice little plugin for Maya. I'm doing it in Python, so it doesn't, so it will cross over well to other versions. I'm programming it in 2016. Hopefully it will go, better. Let me show you just real quick what it does. I go to import. I go to a file that I have a whole bunch of Overwatch files. I choose a model, I hit import, and boom! We have mesh. And this is what I was able to get to today. Is we got, getting the mesh actually up here. And I don't know which one is which, but there's whole bunches of stuff. I'm guessing that was the collision. I have no idea what this is for. As you can see, it's green, which is basically because, well, we haven't really done anything with skins or anything, meshes and textures. Let me pop open this and assign the initial shading group so we can actually take a quick look at it. All right, we'll hide that, and we will hide that because those look like collisions. So. Yeah, that looks something. That looks familiar. That looks like, a good mesh kind of thing. So, today's goal with the programming is to actually get it to import the, well, doing an initial shading group would be nice, but no, I want to get the UVs imported because right now there's no UVs. And once I get the UVs, then I can do the textures. If we look here, let me select the object. It says no object selected. Still no object selected. That's because these don't have UVs. So. Now, I do have access to the UV data. I actually have a whole bunch of code right here. I'm just trying to debug an issue with it right now. But, yeah, I can actually read the data. The problem is the way it comes in is really weird versus how Maya wants it, so I'm having to do some weird finagling there. But, you know, still, just be able to open up these files and it's almost ready to go. That is just fantastic. And of course, you know, having this done leads us to be able to go into the import, and then we choose the maps. And there's a map, Hanamura map, and that will load all the models and everything. I don't remember if I actually have this set up. Let me take a quick look. No, I don't. Alright. But, you know, just getting the raw mesh, you know, once we get that, once we get the static meshes done, then we'll probably come back here, add back in stuff up for, you know, armatures and such. And then we'll do some final cleanups, and I want to be able to at least get the UVs and the materials properly assigned, and then I want to see if I can't get the map going. So that's the goal for today, and the reason we're doing this is... That's a little loud, jeez. Alright, the reason we're doing this is because I want to have a nice little VR walk-around of all the Overwatch maps. And, you know, I actually have something... Let me... gotta wait for Unreal to go. Alright, so... I actually have this Overwatch VR, which I am working on getting, so that I can actually bring the maps in and take a good look around. I mean, just be able to go around them in VR would be fantastic. Of course, you know, I wonder, okay, what am I going to convert these into? What are you going to see when you look at these? And I'm really thinking, you know, Tracer's guns. Or, you know, I don't know, maybe Reapers. All possibilities. So, that is the goal, eventually. Today, I'm just going to settle for getting the UVs going and maybe start in on the modeling, or getting the materials imported and applied. That's my goal for today. Now, the good news is, because we already have, you know, we already did the materials importing, most of that should be okay, and it should be pretty easy to do. We just need to implement that in the mesh loading sequence. But, you know, first things first, you know, you can see here, this is, you know, what we have without the UV code. Let me pop in the UV code. And it took me a while, but I finally got this to reload the scripts dynamically. So, that's a nice little function. Oh yeah, that's right, I gotta delete that. And let's re-import, and you're gonna see a whole bunch of junk over here. In fact, let me clear that. And there, we can see stored UV IDs, but then we have a runtime error. No element given at index on line 206, which is right here. That is, you know, it, for some reason, it is saying, you know, that there's no element at given index. Now, I've, you know, tested this, I've tested that, and I've tested this. I've tested these three things. I'm guessing this is, you know, available, but I was looking at it, and I think that these things are basically all offset from each other. They're wrong, basically. This has to be an array of numbers. So, you know, basically, you know, the unit IDs and the unit IDs are in like sets of, you know, I don't know how many, but, you know, it looks like, you know, a ton there. And those are just the IDs, but, you know, they're in supposedly a set. So I gotta figure out what's going on with this and how to get it work. Because here's the thing, right here is the code for getting it to work in Blender. And here is the code I had previously done on our Zelda importer. So I have to somehow find a way of merging those two together to get the data that Maya wants. Not easy. Alrighty. Fortunately, up here they have this nice little segregate function that takes all the data and drops it off into different things. If I could modify this so that this gives us all the data we need, but that means I gotta come in here and do a whole bunch of conversion data. Oh boy. So, yeah, we'll call this, we'll come in here, UV2, or just UV2. And we'll just blank that for now. Alright, so for verts, now we know that verts UVs actually has a length, and that will tell us, yeah, I think that tells us how many points are in there. Yeah, I'm kind of going to leave that as is. Here's the thing. Getting it out of Blender and into Maya is a pain in the frickin' ass. But getting it out of Maya and into Lightwave, that's not that hard. And, you know, once I get this converted, it would not be terribly hard for someone to come along and modify it for Lightwave. Because, you know, all you gotta do is switch out all the Maya-specific stuff into Lightwave-specific stuff. That's effectively what I'm doing over here with the Blender stuff, but Blender is a lot more flexible in some ways, and it causes lots of problems. Besides, I've been mostly moving over to Maya and keeping Lightwave for certain projects, but you know, mostly I try to work in Maya now. All right, so UV2. Do I have any vertex? No, I don't. Alright, so here I'm actually getting the raw data. Let me dump this. Let me close this out. Took me a long time to find how to block this stuff. So alright, so let's just get something printing right now. Yes, I am very interested in seeing the next-gen Lightwave, and if they manage to bring it up to a level comparable with, you know, Maya and, you know, other things I want to be able to do, I might stick with it for much longer. But, you know, again, it's completely dependent on what Lightwave Next is like. Alrighty, so UV data. String UVs, and we'll just do this UV ID since this is being attached to the vertex or the mesh data. So, pardon me. We're gonna copy this and put that down here, just so I don't forget that it's a complete independent object. Yeah. I'm wondering when that's finally going to come out. I mean, the one thing I'm really excited for is the PBR engine in Lightwave. I mean, that's going to be phenomenal. But I also am slightly concerned about backwards compatibility. I mean, being able to be backwards compatible and you know, get the system up to, you know, modern spec, it's going to be tricky. Alrighty. So here we go. This is the UV data. Each one of these sections, I think, I'm not quite sure what this data is. I mean, it's obviously UV data. There's 2 sections, so that's X, that's Y, and that's X, and that's another Y. But it's in a set of 2. So somehow I have to convert that into sets of 3. That's true. We'll find out with the modifier stack thingy. Let me pull that over here. Move that there. Moving some things off camera so I have an easier time of seeing everything. Yeah. But again, we'll see. They have told us virtually nothing. Alright, so I was looking into it, and near as I can guess, each one of these is a separate UV map. So these 2 are one UV map, and then those pair with that one, and that one, and that one. While this one belongs to a completely separate UV map. I don't know, though. Yeah. Lightwave could be phenomenal, or it can, go to hell. I don't know which, but we'll find out. Alrighty. In the meantime, I want to focus on this. So, maybe for some reason it's in groups of 2. This data is effectively raw. I mean, if we, follow the path, I mean, UVs is broken out of segregation. Segregation takes UVs, and let's out of the verts. The verts are vertexes, and the vertex comes from the mesh data vertices. Now, if we come over here to read, this is the mesh data vertices. Let's see, mesh data vertices. Verts equals the model vertex format. If we come over here, model vertex, UVs equals UVs. So it's basically reading the data raw and dumping it into UVs. This then does, some sorting. Now, it does actually, list, UVs and UV count. So, yeah, I thought the second one might be light mapping UVs. I'm not sure, though. That's assuming that it's another count, an actual integer increase. I mean, I'm looking at this UVs plus beam stream and then EX format 0. What? But it's reading from the model vertex, which is right there, EX format 1 or 0, so that. And it's just reading the raw data into it. So I'm guessing that, each one of these is a separate UV map. So operating on that assumption, for each of these, we are given basically an integer, or a UV ID, if you will. So let's. I suppose what we need to do now is go through the faces and find their indices, and then pull that out of the UV data. Yeah, that's probably what we have to do. Yeah, I have actually, and it's impossible for me to find. I mean, this, like I said earlier, this is their code, and for me to basically convert that over is going to be a little tricky. I mean, I can look through it and pretty much figure it out. But, yeah. So, what we're seeing right now... Oh, the stream just broke? Do I still have this at... No, I have that at 30. Alrighty. Good. Pink hair, seriously. Stop what you're doing. Jump over to beam.pro/Kjasi. You won't have that issue. And also, it will respond a lot faster. So you can type something, I'll see it, and you will see my response in about 5 seconds. Usually 2. And, you know, sign up, disable ad block, which I did, and I have not seen an ad on that site. But then you can get points for watching my stream, which are good for interaction stuff. Alrighty. So right now we're basically just spitting out our raw data. So there's our raw data. Let's start now. Let's go through the faces. And we're actually going to build up our data. Let's put that all down there. We'll jump over here. And let's see. Seriously? It hates your computer? Have you checked it recently? They've been doing updates like every day. Both in stability and everything else. And getting you a Beam account, that's really fast and really simple. Alright. Here we are. Well, we're going to need that, I think. We could probably create this data if we have to. Alright, so those are the things I need, plus the data. Alright, so well, let's kind of go for this. For Face ID, face in enumerate faces. That's perfectly fine. The only reason I have a Twitter account is for my stream. I don't even pay attention to it. Alright, so let's see. Well, actually, let's just do this. I have no idea what loops are. All right. So let's kill that. Kill. Okay, so now we're getting the face IDs. Okay, so for vidx vert in I'm just guessing about this part. And let's just do this. Print fraw well, you're not going to be able to see me if you don't go over to Beam. And seriously, it has gotten a lot better in terms of stability and such. Alright, so... yeah. I've never been a big fan of Facebook. Eventually you just get to the point where you're like, I don't care. Alright, so... let's disable this for right now. And let's see what this gets us. Oh, indentation error. Ah. Okay, we're still indenting wrong, I guess. So try just that. Alright, let's try removing that and see what happens. Okay, so that is the issue. For face in enumerate. Oh. There we go. There, okay, that fixed it. Let's wipe that out. Delete that. Import. Okay. FDIX not set. Oh. Yeah, it's because I did that. Oops, my bad. Huh. Oh, I've got several ideas for an Overwatch machinima. I just need to be able to get the characters out. Alright, so... okay. F draws 0. Okay. I don't know. Okay, so it wants me to actually go over the faces of the mesh. Can I even do that? For FTIX in range faces. Sometimes the best solutions are the worst. Alright, import. Oh. What? 188. Oh, okay. In range len faces. Yeah, let's wipe that out. All of it. F draw is still 0. Alright, let's try this. Let's see what faces is. Alright, faces. Yeah, that's a lot of just integers. So... Okay, 192. Okay, so there's nothing there. Gotcha. So, I know that it works in groups of 3. So... I don't know how to do this, so... to the windows! Alright, so... Python... for... loop... increment... Oh, I guess increment by 2 works. X range. Huh. It is. They're all going to be triangles. We don't have to worry about that. So let's do 0, len, 3. If that doesn't work, then I'll switch it up to... Alright. Alright, so... equals... F draw. Okay, F draw. F draw plus 1. F draw plus 2. I have no idea if that will work. Let's find out. Alright, import. Input, input. Hey, what do you know? Except I don't want it to just do plus 1. So what we need to do is that, and that. Let's clear that. Re-import. There we go. We're now actually building the... we've got our lists now. So now let's actually... let's see. Let's come back over here real quick. Alright, and UV counts. Append 3. Because we're, yeah, when we do this, we're always increasing it by 3. Alright, let's... So, in theory, that would work. That would be all we need, except we also need the X and Y datas. so... Now I think, yeah, I have a UV target up here. All right, so append UV target. So let's start with this one. So that's the index. Now we need the X. So we can get that by going to UV faces FDIX. And that'll be 0. Yep. And that one will be 1. Oh, wait. No. Can't do that. It's not that simple. Because now I also have to consider multiple... Oh, Discord's actually pretty nice. In fact, you know, there, Moobot just told you about the link for it, which should work. Oh, I see you already in there. Although your mic is mute. Oh, damn, I have to reconsider this. Ah. Alright, well... I only ever figured this out for one UV set. Alright. Screw it. We'll just do one UV set for right now. So we're just going to hard code in one UV set.
Testing, testing.
Hello. I can hear you. Alrighty. If UV records length is greater than 0, alright, that should do that. Actually, let's do counts. So how are you doing? I can hear your testing at least. All right, so I have this all set up for my own custom UV data, just to make it making it easier for me. I suppose I could make a modification. That wouldn't be too hard.
Testing.
Hello.
Okay, it doesn't seem to be crashing my browser this time, so that's an advance.
Well, I found that the app works way better. All right, self UV map equals no, UV set equals
Well, one thing at a time.
UVS. Yeah. True. All right, so UV set equals UV set 0. So default to 0. Nope. Your mic's pretty decent for as bad of a mic as it is. But, you know, I've got a really nice mic. So don't feel too bad. I spent quite a bit of money on this. I think I'm going to actually put this... Yeah. No, actually, it can be right there. So there, now I can actually, if I reconfigure everything, I can make it work. As you can see, I still have some, you know, blueprint stuff there. But...
Yeah, I have to be pretty quiet too.
Yeah, well, that's, you know, a mixture of a lot of things.
Well, yeah, it's past midnight, so I can't really be talking full volume.
Yeah. Alrighty. Yeah, we're just going to hard code that for right now. We need to set the data. Well, actually, we could just... Yeah, right here. Alright, so that's that. Let's grab this data. That should be all that we need for that. Plus 2. Plus 1. Plus 2. And actually, it just makes it easier if I do plus 0 here. Plus, it all lines up. And I am a fan of everything lining up. Okay, so there we go. That should do it, I hope. Alright, delete, clear, reload, and... Oh, invalid syntax somewhere. Ah, one too many of those. Gotcha. Alright. Ah, all good now. Import. All right. Well, let's take a quick look. Hey, we got the UVs in. It's only one set, but it's better than nothing. I'm guessing that this is the mesh data, and if I were to import the other ones, it would actually import as something new. All right, for right now, I'm just going to leave this hard-coded because it works. Yes, I can get rid of all this other shite. Also, that actually makes things easier over here in some ways on my old Zelda one. But, I'm just glad we got this. Alright. Let's see. This is face IDs. That way it's a little bit clearer when we're actually debugging it in the future. Build UV data. Currently only works with first UV set. Alright, so I'll have to modify that so it can work with all the UV sets, but for a first pass, that's not bad. Alright, so next up, let's see if we can't get the texture to work. Now they got normals, and I'm kind of skipping that, I think, for right now. Well, also I didn't figure out how to do that down in here. So that's something we'll have to work on later. Right now, let's assign some materials. Alright, how do you do it? Bump, ba-da-dum, bump, bump, ba-da-dum, bump, bump, ba-da-dum, bump. Okay, so he's making a new UV for...
So what are you using to unpack the files?
What I'm using is a series of plugins by other people. Yeah, let me bring some of it up. Okay, I have this stuff by some people who are doing some awesome work. This is the main thread that they seem to be working from. They just go through uploading, and some people are even showing some of the works they've done. But one of the big guys, Dionomy, is actually the one who came up with the stuff I'm using right now. If we go over here to the Overwatch page, and I think, yeah, he has Yukimona. He's currently stopped development of it, but one of the things he did is he took the tools that somebody else made and made them like quite a bit better. Now he has a model tool, and for this he actually created his own model format for exporting and importing. Now his works pretty much exclusively with Blender, which kind of sucks. But yeah, he included the source code for all of it. So it's, quite easy to, come in here, look at his code and go, okay, it's not that hard to convert it over. And, when I use his model tool, and I can convert it over using his format. And that's what I did in order to get, I think it's actually in here. To actually export and convert Hanamura. So I have the whole map here as his unique Overwatch.map or .overwatch map file, and that is full of textures and models and materials, and that's all stuff we need to read. In order to read the map, we need to be able to have the models and the materials all set to go. Does that answer your question?
Okay, yeah, I've been looking at a few of the different options, and that seems like currently the state of the art, but I was wondering if you'd found something better.
Not yet. But yeah, this is the cutting edge stuff. So I'm taking his model exporter. Now, granted, we are stuck in that we can't get Ana out, because apparently there's like encryption keys that they don't have, and apparently nobody knows how to get it. Hello, troll. Once we get some more of encryption keys, we can probably get Ana out, and probably a lot of the newer stuff too. But most of it is exported using other software. Now his tool can actually export it, but I don't use that tool. If I need to do like one thing, like just Hanamura, then I might use it. But generally, what I tend to do is I tend to take all the data, I dump it out into the raw files, and then I can use another guy's tools, ID Damon's tools, and it can convert these raw model files into like objects. Now he doesn't support the Overwatch model that the other guy does. So, but the Yukimono's 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 toolchain is based on ID Damon's tool, so backporting it would not be impossible. But right here he has the Overwatch types, and this is file. I'm just using it raw because there's nothing Blender specific about it. Same thing here with the read Overwatch model file. It's just the import that needs to be converted. Now, when I get this done, I do plan on releasing this plugin. Alright, where did I leave off? Yeah, right around here. So yeah, I was working on this, and then suddenly he announced that, I'm having trouble getting through this, I'm just going to stop working on it, and I was like, oh, damn it. So I asked him what it would take for him to continue working on it, and he said, oh, I'll look at it. Alright. Let's get my chat back. Okay, my chat's back. Old Man Jenkins, if you're still watching, you gotta move over to Beam, dude. Alright, so, if I remember correctly, I was able to... ooh, color sets. So I gotta find the material. So how does he read? Ah, material key. There we go. That's under meshes. That doesn't seem right. It should be under faces. Model index. Model file. Map. Model. No? Yeah, that is wrong. This is, you know, his thing, but... Oh, wait, the material is actually, you know, what's in here. Okay. So the material file isn't a materials per se. It's the actual file. Gotcha. Yeah, model mesh structure. Name, material key. Meshes, name, material key, UV count, vertex count. Index, verts, and faces. Alright, so let's come over here. Armature, mesh, okay. So import meshes. Okay, he has materials as a completely separate thing. Huh. I don't know if I agree with him on that. I mean, technically speaking, each polygon could have a completely different... each face would have a different material. Ah, here we go. He has a bind materials function where you pass the meshes, the data, and the materials. Here we are. For objects, go through the object, go through the mesh. There's the mesh data. Mesh data material key and materials 1. That still sounds like it's like one material for a single object. But, you know, I think that Overwatch actually does separate it out. So, alright, let's just go with this then. So we've imported the mesh. Okay, I don't think we need to worry about that. So now let's keep that bad. That's kind of what I'm thinking. And if you look at it, here, let's hide these, which were... We have that, which looks like a single set, and then that, which looks like another set of meshes, and those could easily be, you know, all the same material. So I do agree with you. It's more likely that each subset or submesh has its own material applied. I don't know why there's these. I guess it's collision. Which is kind of nice that we can actually get that. Okay, so let's okay. So we're gonna ignore all the if then else's. All right. So if not, alrighty. So that should import everything, and here I don't know, we might be able to just like leave this is, but I doubt that. But let's give it a shot. Alright. Gotta delete that, reload, and let's clear this. Import. Alright. We had a problem over in the read material. Let's take a look at some of this stuff. And let's duplicate this. We're actually going to bring this back in. I'm not sure why we need the import. That's for that. That's for cleanup. And I'm not worried about that just yet. So there. That will hopefully clear up some things. Okay. No materials were imported, though. I don't know why you need to do if materials none right after you set it. Alright, so print map path. Modded map path. All right. And let's edit this. We'll just have it reload both, just to be safe. All right. Okay. New scene. Import. You know, I can turn off the face finder. Alrighty. And I can turn off the nodes there. That's actually something I have for some debugging. Okay, so I guess no materials for this? Erase, import. It created the mesh, but didn't load anything. That's okay. Alright. Hide those. So all we're left is that. Alright, well, let's try importing something else. Oh, wow, that took a while. Okay.
Well, I guess you can tell what that is.
Yeah, it looks kind of like a tower. But still, this is a good start. Huh. Now I just have to find out why the materials aren't loading. Hmm. Okay. Well, it's checking for the materials. Okay, I don't need that. Alrighty. Let's do this. Print data header. Let's see what data we can find, if any. All right. All right, let's see what the data head material is. No, it's 0. So let's try something else, like maybe this. Nope. Well, that looks familiar. Oh, wow, I hadn't even noticed that. They have the twin dragons on the sword. Nice. Alrighty. That's just weird. I guess that's something to work on. Alright. I don't know what's going on there. Well, it's loading the mesh. I suppose something we could do up here is assign a material.
Does the material import actually work in Blender?
I honestly don't know. I don't think so.
It might be misspelled or something, might be looking in the wrong spot.
Very true. All right, so we are looking at model header. Oh, material. Yeah, it says material. Let's come up here.
You know, I just had a stupid thought. It's looking for if material is greater than 0, but what if they're all material 0 on the meshes that you're looking at?
Interesting idea. The problem with that is it's looking for a string. Because the string that it gives us should be the file name we need for the material object. I don't think he exports that data yet. I think that's what the issue is. Alrighty. Let's do a reload.
Yeah, that would do it too.
Okay, that's weird. We're not getting any header data, not even a name. That should be it. Oh. Oh, no, don't tell me! I think I figured it out. And I was wrong. Yeah, those are... Okay. Major, minor. Oh, wow. The physics model. Interesting, that's only part of it. Okay, that imported nothing. Yeah, I don't think his thing is exporting the data. I didn't want to have to dig into his code and, you know, fix and change things, so I think I'm going to have to. All right, let's... All right. Well, okay, I'm just going to let the mesh go for now. We're going to start work on the map. Access conversion?
Well, you have models in UV, so you can always just apply whatever texture you want, just temporarily.
True. In fact, let's give that a quick shot. Alrighty. So, hide those for the moment. Unfortunately, because everything's not quite complete, the materials are always broken when they import. Oh, lucked out there. Oh wait, that's the normal camera. So what are you? Oh, you're a dirt map. Let's say you're diffuse. And you will be reflectivity. Okay, that looks like that. Oh. That's the normal. Maybe that is that one. No. I'm worried about it's that one. That looks about right. Okay. Alright, so we have read. So this is where we're actually going to read the data. Actually, no, we need a root. Alright. Now the good news is a lot of this data can actually be saved over. So all right. Alrighty. Hey, Miltech, it's doing okay. Alright, let's just drop this in for now. Okay, Pink Hair, thanks for stopping by. And I hope to see you in the future, but I'll only be on Beam, so. What am I working on? Yeah. Oh, me too. I'm hoping to have a nice little VR set of Hanamura in the semi-near future. What am I working on? I am working on a Maya plugin that will let me import maps from Overwatch directly into the system. Now, it doesn't quite work perfectly because we actually need to use somebody else's tool to get the initial files. These convert those files into Maya. Right now, it loads in the Blender, but it doesn't load very well. In fact, here, let me real quickly load up Blender, and I can show you guys all what it currently looks like. Yeah, go away. Huh. Maya like controls my ass. Overwatch map. Hanamura. Import. Now, this is the Blender version of the script that was original by the author who created this. So there are certain things you can do with it, but other things are complete and utter shite. It's true. I mean, I just now found out that materials basically don't work because he's not importing names or file names or anything. Even though he exports all this data. Alright. So here is, at least from this... Have I been grabbing this wrong Hanamura? Yeah, I think I've been grabbing the small Hanamura. Well, at any rate... This is Hanamura. This is, the map, and this is what it looks like when you import with Blender. Now, I could convert this over, but I'm kind of like, okay, why am I not seeing textures or anything? I still have not found out. I still do not have a satisfactory answer to that. If I come here... I have no clue what any of this does, actually. I don't use Blender at all. I can see here a whole bunch of images that are loaded, but none of them are, showing up in my browser, in my view screen. Oh, that's a neat little trick. Alright. Yeah, info. Okay. Okay. I guess this is our preview system. Node editor. What nodes are there to edit? None. Because this machine... Yeah. Oh. Plenty of them, I guess. What? Okay, how do you focus? There's got to be a way to focus. Oh, my end goal is to get Hanamura to, well, at least the small one, to import properly over here in Maya. Afterwards, I dump it into the Unreal Engine so we can actually walk around it in VR. I actually have a Overwatch VR set scene, pretty much set to go. this is just slightly different than the Overwatch project I have, but not a whole bunch. Alrighty. Okay. Yeah, I think pretty much all I've done in here is do some initial setup and work on the pawn. So if I were to load this up, yeah, I can look around. And I can see I'm on an okay little thing. Yeah, maybe. And I think, yeah, I was actually working on getting the controls in there, just so I can, do some testing with that. Although, for some reason, I'm getting some weird lagginess. So, I don't know if that's just Overwatch being... I don't know if that's, all the other programs I have up and running right now, or what. Let's actually... I'm going to open up my... my Overwatch play system. Now I do have like a whole bunch of programs open, so. Now this is stuff where I've done like manual edits to try and get standard Overwatch characters working. It's not easy. What is on this? Okay, I gotta get this thing cleaned up. Now I can actually pop in here in VR. And yeah, you can see as I look around, there's a tracer, and there's another tracer, and there's, what's her name? Can I shoot? No, but apparently I can walk. And apparently I'm a giant. Yeah, this is set up for first-person shooter. It's much better in the VR editor. But yeah, it's having the same issues. So, let's see. Yeah, with the VR editor, it's actually quite nice. I'm going to take the headphones off for a moment. Yeah, the frame rate's really bad, but let's turn it around, and now I can get close and really take a good look at some of these models. Here, let me. There, now they're effectively real height. So yeah, I'm sitting down, and let's see, top of my head, looking forward, comes up to her clavicle and her boobs. I forget how I opened these. Oh well. And yeah, apparently Tracer has some camel toe. But yeah, that's just me messing around with a first-person shooter, trying to get some Overwatch characters in here, and I'm not doing too bad. I mean, I got a long way to go with her. I'm trying to figure out what each of these materials does. I did actually get her looking pretty damn awesome. Not quite sure what's going on with her face here, but this is the new model I imported, and let me actually put this in simulate mode. You can see she's animated. So this is, me doing animation tests. Apparently there's a whole bunch of interpolation issues going on, and that's why things look a little weird. Now these guys are not animated. But I just wanted to have a little, can I, create Overwatch kind of look. But the more I thought about it, the more I'm like, I really want to do, I want to be able to go around the levels in VR. Be able to go look at all the little tiny intricate stuff, so. Huh, that's interesting. This is offline on a couple of things. Alright. I'm actually really tired now. I want to stop, but I shouldn't. No, they have not gotten any shader support or anything. But that's because a lot of the shaders from the game are actually, you know, really kind of packed in and all sorts of things. And welcome to Beam. I'm glad you got that up and running. Do be sure to follow me. Ah. Well, I'm not showing anything unique yet. And my chat system for everything else has gone kaputty. Yeah, I am exhausted, guys. It's been a big day. So, let's end the stream here with some actual Overwatch. So let me put on the game display, turn off the game capture. And let me turn off the music. Ah, Mark Hamill. There we go. Well, I'm tired. But, you know what? I'm level 85. I want to get to 101 and then more before the end of 3 weeks. You know, I'm hoping I can do that in maybe 1.5 weeks. Because during this, you know, the summer's extravaganza, I want to be able to get a whole bunch of stuff. I want to be able to get, you know, these 2 outfits. I have Lucio's, but I still need to get, you know, hers. Ah, Vizcaya. I'm not a big fan of Vizcaya right now. We're all soldiers now. Alright. Yeah, I've been doing a lot more Soldier 76 lately. I don't know why. But apparently I'm really good with him.
We're all soldiers now. Young punks. Get off my lawn.
Black Dove War.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
Oh.
Remember your training, and we'll get through this just fine.
I did pick up that. Okay, I don't see anybody here.
4, 3,
Ah,
2,
there it is.
1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A. I'm going to hold them.
What do you want to bet they're all... Is that ours or theirs?
I'm on fire. Young punks. Get off my lawn.
No one can hide
my lawn.
Rocket barrage incoming.
All right.
Should have kept your head down. Young punks. Get off my lawn.
Come on, we need to get control of the point.
That was the first death for this level.
This old dog's learned a few tricks. Objective is under attack. Get on it. Defend the point. I've got you in my sights.
New defense point.
Ah.
Objective B.
Kind of felt I should have come around, but
Knock me down and I'll keep getting back up.
yeah. Damn. They are just nerfing everything. They freaking deserve that. Yeah, it was all Diva, except for Lucio and Genji.
A of the game.
We're all Diva now. Seriously? I got better things than that. What a play. Environmental kills. Such goodness. There we go. Hey, we're almost at 50%. Yeah, I want to get to at least 86 tonight. So that's my goal. Ah.
Prepare to attack.
We're attacking. I'm gonna go Lucio. Yeah, I got the Rio Lucio. Let's see. Other skins I have gotten recently. American McCree. Alright, I think we're going to do the same thing they did. So we bought Diva twice and they gave us Lucio for free.
I'm going to win.
Yeah, I'm going Diva.
I should overstay my welcome. I'm probably still on the watch list here.
Winky face.
Justice delivered.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
I can't wait. Fire the fun.
أهلا.
Let's get to it already.
Hi, North Urkel. No, we're doing. We did a whole bunch of Overwatch development, and I felt like, you know what? Let's end the stream with some Overwatch.
4,
I actually didn't get to play much of it today.
1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Enemy turret ahead. I'm on the objective. Bailing out.
Oh. Just left. Okay.
Tagia.
Get here.
Okay. Good night.
Time to raise my APM. Enemy turret ahead. Ejecting.
The objective is mine. Be quick about it.
Oh man, that one got me. Okay.
Diva re-engaging. My ultimate is almost ready. Taking off.
Securing the objective.
Nerf this. Ah.
Double kill.
Go for it.
Helden sterben nicht.
다시 한판 해보자고. Go to sleep. Diva online. I'm on fire.
I'm dead.
I'm not a good loser.
No, I don't know if anyone's doing an Overwatch
Heads up. They
thing.
have a teleporter.
어머, 안녕. Hey, they have a teleporter. 날아간다. Enemy teleporter destroyed.
Enemy engaging.
Ejecting.
60
Aw,
seconds
damn.
remaining.
Game hero. Nice. So, why are they better at Symmetra than I am?
이건 사기야.
Rendezvous at my position.
Understood. I'm gonna have to shoot you down. I'm ready to initiate self-destruct sequence.
30 seconds remaining.
You're going to be okay.
Muchas quiero.
Nerf this! All systems checked out. Enemy turret destroyed. I'm back in the fight.
10 seconds.
There's no way I'm losing. Attack!
Watch out for that turret!
Hey! They have a teleporter!
I found their teleporter.
Objective A captured. Commence attack on objective B.
My ultimate is charging. Time to raise my APM. Activating self-destruct sequence. Taking the point. Don't worry, I got it. Nerf this. I'm back in the fight.
Everyone,
That was awesome. Ah.
Of the game.
Oh, whoa, what? Me? Awesome! I haven't had a play of the game in a while.
Nerf this.
Hey, I said winky face. Aw, man. Sore losers. At least I got play of the game. I feel wonderful now. You know, usually I stream for another hour. Nope, that's it. I'm done. I'm walking out. No, not really. We did play of the game. We're done. Would you be terribly upset with me if I ended the stream
Now
here?
Entering King's Row.
No, I'm gonna keep going for a bit. Yeah, America McCree!
Justice ain't gonna dispense itself.
Magic Toaster!
Prepare your defenses.
King Man Kong! What? Captain Sketchy. Captain Sketchy. Alrighty. Oh, we got a 94. Nice. An 88. A 97. An 84. So, Chronix is either really awesome or we're all really bad. Both are plausible. You think if you have at least 70 hours in a game, you'd be somewhat good at it. But
There's
Happens
nothing
to the
like
best
what we
of
came
us.
for. Stick together. We will complete our mission.
Happens to the best of us. It's an honor fighting by your side, man.
You always were a charmer.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
if only human and Omnic could learn to live in peace here.
What a bunch of misfits and freaks we got here. I love it.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Alright, we got Genji. Ah, damn it! Game Hero again!
This lap's never uneventful.
This would help.
Let's drop the beat.
Well, at least I got rid of the healer.
This lap's never uneventful.
Alright.
Quit lollygagging. Get on the point.
Damn it. It's not gonna happen.
Everyone get on the point!
Working on it, old man.
The point's under attack. Let's give them something to think about.
Stop the pain.
Pardon me.
Heal up.
Ah. I high nooned myself.
I've got unfinished business.
I don't play McCree very often, so. I don't expect to get play of the game. It would have been nice, but I don't expect it.
Spasiba.
Let's drop the beat.
Damn! Maybe I
Let's
should.
break it. Damn.
Nah, I'm good with doing that. Yeah, I was working on a Maya plugin. It was to import exported data from Overwatch into Maya. But ran into a couple of problems with the original files that I'm going to have to probably fix because the main author doesn't do it anymore.
Healing enough.
Alright, we're going Bastion.
Fire at will.
This would help.
Let's do this.
Diva online.
I'm gonna get Bastion play of the game, probably. With my luck.
Nano boost administered.
Thank you.
Too bad that thing doesn't, you know, automatically up me, but oh well. Too much burst damage.
Heal up.
At the very least, I got it so that, yeah, what's his name? Could he get his guy on it?
Tranquility.
Wait, how did he do that again? Are there suddenly two Genji? Yeah, there are two Genjis. OMG, two Genjis?
Seconds remaining.
Keep working until the end.
Lights out. Drop the beat. Administered.
The payload has reached.
Alright, they got 2 minutes. Did he reflect it back at me? Yeah, he reflected it back at me.
Sniper, don't get caught.
Get here.
Armor up. Stop.
This would help. Get back in the fight.
Time's running out. Put your backs into it.
Drop the beat.
Alright, once we get rid of those guys. There we go. One last guy, huh? There we go. Ooh. Scotty Bot hosted me. That's awesome. I'm mostly just playing solo tonight. I'm not opposed to playing with a group. I'm just, you know, I'm really tired. I'm actually thinking of stopping in a moment here. Damn bugs.
Epic. Thank you. Thank you.
That's awesome.
Epic.
Alrighty. Let's leave this group. What was my highlight? Bastion. That was predictable. Alright. Yeah, I got the energy for one more. And then I'm calling it for the night. Okay, I'm back and a game's been found! Ooh. Which Ilios, though?
Prepare to attack.
The ruins. Farah, reporting for duty. Ooh, mom and daughter team. Oh.
I will protect the innocent.
I want to take this time to remind everybody that if you're not watching on Beam already, this is the last stream. You will not be able to watch me from now on anywhere except beam.pro, which is listed way up there.
5, 4, 3, 2.
So be sure to move to Beam.
Round 1. Capture the objective.
Oh, we killed each other.
I will not fail again.
Well, at least we got the point. So. Nope, didn't hit anyone.
Get in there, and I'll hit you.
No power down. Get in there.
Get back. Get back. Justice reigns from above.
Seriously?
Justice reigns from above.
I was right on frickin' top of them.
We're taking a point.
Move back.
Alrighty.
At will. I will not fail again. In the area.
Everyone, on the objective.
Damn, Death. What level is Death?
Raptora systems online. Barrage ready.
I've got you in my sights.
Move back.
Best round.
Damn it! Why was nobody getting on the point? Damn it! Everyone was so busy fighting everyone else, they didn't get on the fucking point! Sorry. Why does Fire look at Egyptian, more Egyptian than her mom? I don't know. Genetics?
I'll be watching your back carefully.
Right to your mind. Focus on the task at hand.
I always dreamed of the day we would fight together.
Wanting a better life for you was all I ever dreamed of.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2. Capture the objective.
What are we waiting for?
Yeah, Kevin Tran. I was all out of jet fuel, so.
The objective is now active.
Move back.
Got the beat.
Clear in the area. Justice reigns from above. Justice reigns from above.
Alright, North Oracle, I'll see you later.
My team needs
I am claiming
And
the
enjoy
objective.
camp. There we go. screw Farah.
For some mayhem.
If I'm gonna be damned, I'm gonna be damned for a character I prefer.
Here we go.
Oh, let's break it.
The objective
is mine. Be quick about it.
The hunter lays the trap for his prey.
Justice reigns from above.
Second the objective. Holy dooly.
Damn. At least I get to see a nice view. I think he plays this character professionally. Yeah, why did that not shoot him off? I mean, I literally shot him off twice and he somehow still came back. Healer. Alrighty. That was a shitty match, but oh well. What level did I get to? Okay, I'm maybe 1 win or 2 loses away. Ooh, I did get something from Farah. Nice. We'll have to watch those later. Actually, let's play a round of Lucio Ball. And that's going to go away in a few days, and they're going to bring out a new sport, I betcha.
Bem-vindos, welcome to the Summer Games. 3, 2, 1. And we're on the way. Oh, this is my jam. Raising the volume. Push off. Oh, yeah. Go. Nice. I can do this all day.
Right in between everyone. And gold. That's awesome.
3, 2, 1. Raising the volume. Oh! Defendeu! Oh, you hear that? Up the volume. Raising the volume. Oh, turn it up. That's this. Push off. Raising the volume. Oh! Save! Oh, you hear that? You feel that? it! Damn! Drop the beat! Let's drop the beat! Push on. Oh, this is my jam! Get back! Oh, this is my jam! Oh, let's break it! Damn!
Oh,
Nice shot!
thank you.
Tres, dois, Oh, this is my jam! One minute remaining in the match. Oh, what a strike!
Oh man, we're getting pretty good at this now.
Tres, dois, 1 minute remaining in the match.
Yeah, the basic rule is, unless you're in a group,
Let's drop the beat. My jam. Push up. Save.
what? I saved it and a gold?
Tres, dois,
Oh, they got 35 seconds.
Oh, turn it up.
Where are you all back there?
To go.
Okay, I guess I'm playing.
You got this. A little longer. Oh, this is my jam. 10 seconds remaining. No way we're gonna lose this. Hang on.
See, we don't have to get another score. We just have to keep them from scoring. Woo! There we go.
Play off the game.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Oh, let's break it. Damn!
Bug Blast, 1 goal. Oh, wait. Okay. Come on. Next page. Thank you. Yeah, that's why. Alright, we're going to play a game as Tracer. I don't care what the map is, you know, what side we're on. We're playing Tracer. We're going to do what we can. I will get you. And this skin. And that skin. That is my goal for the Summer Games. To get these 2 skins. I've got most of the others, if not all the others. Yeah. That was stupid putting a teleporter right outside our door, though. that?
They've got a teleporter. Found their teleporter.
This will help.
There we go.
Get the payload moving. We can do this.
Wait for it. Ever get that feeling?
Farah reporting.
Oh, damn. She's just putting those all over the place, isn't she?
Rocket barrage incoming.
Always get.
Back to work.
Helden sterben nicht.
Let's keep the payload moving.
Hey, if she puts up another teleporter
Nano boost administered.
and I find it and destroy it.
Enemy contact. Back in my day, we'd have this payload delivered already.
Heroes never die. For a price.
Don't worry, my friends. I am your shield.
Ha! Have some of that. Back in the fight.
60 seconds remaining.
I'm moving the payload.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Now, where were we?
Walking behind.
Wrong way.
Enemy surviving.
Double kill.
Helden sterben nicht.
I thought I had a time reset available.
Yeah.
Our enemies have a teleporter.
Alright, my mission is now to find that teleporter and destroy it.
Back in my day, we'd have this payload delivered already. Someone find their teleporter.
Healing enough.
Nano boost administered.
Payload secured.
Get the payload moving.
Just in time.
This will help.
There we go.
My ultimate is ready. Let's go. Form up on the payload. Move it out.
Damn.
Heroes.
Nice
Rocket
save.
barrage 60
Watching your back.
Let's try that again.
The payload stopped.
Much better.
My ultimate is ready. Let's go.
30 seconds remaining.
Tactical visor activated.
The payload is approaching its destination.
They've got a teleporter. We've got to find
10
it.
seconds.
There's no more time to wait. We need to attack now.
Enemy teleporter destroyed.
Time.
I got an achievement. I'm happy. I got the way is closed. The path is closed.
Play of the game.
Ted there. Hey, I was there for a moment. Yeah, that's Symmetra. Seriously, she was freaking everywhere until the very end because there was 2 of them. That's how I was able to get the achievement. There was 2 of them, and they were stupid. Yes, we got leveled up. Let's check out the hero gallery, let's check out the career profiles, achievements. The path is closed. All right. Here's hoping Tracer got me the Tracer skin. Nope. But, you know, we got a really cool, Reaper spray.
Bring me another.
Yeah. Oh. That's new. Yeah. Oh, well. So, let's take a quick look at my highlight reel. And then we're going to call it a night. Oh, man, it's been a day. Out shopping for most of it. Yeah, this is when Bastion first showed up. They're like, what the? Alright. Volskaya Industries. Let's see what Soldier 76 did. Back in my day, we'd have this payload delivered already. Barely got the mech and the girl. Alright. And then this was the actual play of the game. I am happy I got that with a diva. Especially with the explosion. That's always been hard for me to do.
Nerf this! All systems checked out. Enemy turret destroyed. Check me out. Securing the point.
Nice. Alright, let's check. Ooh, I had a highlight from my
Push up.
That's because it said save, and then the server ticked, and it got me back. So that's right. The client saves these, not the servers. All right, let's see what Farah did. I'm actually glad that Farah got it. So.
Move back.
Alright, yeah. Okay. Yeah, the diva thing was definitely the best. Alrighty. That's it for the stream. Thank you all for joining me, and everybody on Twitch and Stream.me and Hitbox. Thank you so much for the support over the year, for the past year. I am moving to Beam. I hope you join me there. If not, I'll see you around. For everyone on Beam, thank you for being such a warm, welcoming, supportive group. I'm glad I'm coming to you guys exclusively, and I am definitely looking forward to the next year. growing my channel and actually getting more followers than I have on Twitch. All right. Tomorrow's my day off. I will be using that to recombobulate everything so that I can actually stream on Beam.pro on a more effective manner, probably using their proprietary FTL system. That means faster interactions, all that good stuff. Meanwhile, I hope you all have a great day. I will see you Monday at 9 p.m. Pacific time, right here on Beam.pro/Kjasi. Alrighty. I am super tired. Alright, love you all. Thank you for being a part of my KJ crew. And I will see you all later. Bye.